Hi, today we are gonna see anniversary names for years. First year, anniversary. Second year, cotton anniversary. Third year, leather anniversary. Fourth year, linen or silk anniversary. Fifth year, wood anniversary. Sixth year, iron anniversary. Seventh year, wool or copper anniversary. Eighth year, bronze anniversary. Ninth year, pottery or willow anniversary. 10th year, tin or aluminum anniversary. 11th year, steel anniversary. 12th year, silk anniversary. 13th year, lace anniversary. 14th year, ivory anniversary. 15th year, crystal or glass anniversary. 20th year, china anniversary. 25th year, silver anniversary. 30th year, pearl anniversary. 35th year, coral anniversary. 40th year, ruby anniversary. 45th year, sapphire anniversary. 50th year, golden anniversary. 55th year, emerald anniversary. 60th year, diamond anniversary. 65th year, blue sapphire anniversary. 70th year, platinum anniversary. 75th year, diamond or gold anniversary. 80th year, oak anniversary. 85th year, wine anniversary. 90th year, stone anniversary. 95th year, lavender or sapphire anniversary. 100th year, centenary anniversary. See you in next video. Thank you.